Otumfuo committee Bawku be do a chile kura be kwatmaso ye wa be kan wani ye mo bi no be fi se Otumfuo Dormaahene on panase se Otumfuo to be siesie Bawku asema e ba ko je na ntwemi
Etinana Dormaahene wasa kan ho biemu wasa be start another attack on Otumfuo Asantehene efa Bawku entawantawa na Otumfuo date abase eho no eno obesiesie asem no ne last standard obesiesie asem na ma asumdwe aba no Dormaahene abede Otumfuo Otumfuo ntimi siesie asem no da no Otumfuo time ya ono obema Otumfuo nantwie mienu tese nim ade Dormaahene epe ama media ne so edipa ne bi atate chire omadwen ewo ho bema nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me ewo comment section aha Penyah Block Media mess was say need you obi like video no that my subscribe button so back like verification icon of latest updates na ba chire wadwen da ama me ewo comment section me also baso no wa share first onya bi ahye etanya ni entawantewa ekoso ewo Bawku eyema impulsive any kusati for tribe me ana omoko chieftaincy eho why and I was say or that the overlord of Bawku traditional council no order ano eno homanso ana omotwe kudali for chire mu se omo leader ene wo se obedi obetena Bawku na aba akunya so obetena Bawku akunya kese so mapuli for just say omo so leader ene wo se obetena Bawku akunya so omo le dinka obetena Bawku ho no eno ala government nwa se ene manso ese abeda ho ages e mesu ya wo mi amesu a menyini ana mete Bawku ntokwa ase menyini abeduru se mabodwe se Bawku for da so ko ya zo gubao wo go for buja de boye no ya bazu bi bunya na this issue no obeka ya to we Mahama betena kunya so somewhere in March mu and it say Mahama is just the president, the first gentleman of the land edi petition bi ekoto ye wura Otumfuo no opem so na pia wo nkwaso odi goto anim say ne ohwe Bawku ntawantawa na osre nananguto kinsiro wakope nyanse bu akwa nananguto.
One major flashpoint continues to be the Bawku area. Only 2 days ago, an incident in a marketplace triggered an unfortunate loss of lives and criminal vandalism of property. I wish to emphasize that nobody gains from this situation of conflict and insecurity. We have triggered the Otumfuo mediation process, which saw all stakeholders participate in discussions in Kumasi on a roadmap towards peace. I'm assured by the Asantehene that the process will resume next week when he returns from his brief visits abroad.
Elebetimi ahwe ediye auto bi say asembia no si akwatwene say dey na say ensipo a okotumfuo animu a Otumfuo etim esiesi etuna nankuto elebetimi esiesi asem am Otumfuo so dey na no the same way ebetu dwa.
Me refi o kan Bawku asem yo we so let's say crowd report no chi so ya penyin to say pe dey say tuo no kofom my friend ye nyina Bawku my friend Bawku na ba my friend Nairi my friend ethnic groups from Mosi for Hausa for yo Buzanga for my friend nyina na obi a di ko me sa twema na you know your renting and pro for women the papa sabe who be a brother yo na ya kanina ni gusu kakra the mama ya catch you be on say we munye tuo ni nyina yo nti stakeholders ni nyina ba na mka mun ko kan che mun ko nyina so bi an fa tuo no to yo ye we can be na mukumo musifo ko boa da bomba fo ko boa musifo no ne Sabia a for Mampusi for Nate, a you Bawku town to ye bois, where so high bois namse. Ye tune near the coon. Ye Pessi who said one a Bawku one. Joe, which me see no. Joe, ye say, Nairi could see, or before from Crumho, na Nipper namse. Or no, Nairi na me pen nam nanaka, Nanosi a can once of nature Bawku. Joe, and near Bass one a Bawku one. Na Bawku na ba wo ho no wonne sisi a de wonne ye hina ya tro ne di to no wo kopim si be hu se Bawku e wo kusasifo ana se wo mamprosifo ye kan wi ana no so atwa na ye hu na se ni wo we ya na aka che ni wo ya na aka che na Bawku for no asumbiaba.
Yo.
See you kakra kakrama. I know a tuning in as I said there. If you see a Benyano, in a woman walk, associations in a war in answer, you may catch a woman as a woman. A tuning a year because you'll be in your country and professor as I'm not for the camera until
Yo.
And also, me go so and so kakra, every am I able to.
Ama wa show Ghana for say obe do betimi bia say obe resolve the tension at Bawku obe resolve na asumdwe aba and from there no hu say Otumfuo invite ahemfunu miem nyina baaye eyema mprisifo ehene ene kusiasefo ehene eba manhia himfi ema hokura no omoto nsa didiye ema asumdwe kakra eba ake say that the first stage of resolving the dispute. The first thing omumenu tina table akon eton sa the na nice ema eno achi kura no tiktokers for na which is omu efi bokọ no ebe ka say okay after so Otumfuo be no dey ase niema aba form kakra eniema abrase.
And every citizen of Ghana, Bawku, should lay down on his gun down, peaceful, and we'll look at and we should listen to Otumfuo Asantehene what he will bring it out. Politicians should go out from these issues. In fact, Otumfuo Asantehene, we have the belief on him. When he come and declare it is for Team A, we are going to follow for Team A. When he come and declare it is Team B, we are going to follow for Team B. But gun cannot solve problems. Gun cannot solve problems. And we want to ensure and tell the whole nation that we can use gun, but we respect our elders. We have opportunity to sit with our elders. That a child who washes his hands clean, sit and eat with the elders. Exactly. So we are telling the nation that what they are doing, it isn't that we cannot do it. We can do it 100% or more than that. Thank you very much. And
but him said na so you be on a busy person. And na onya ohia ho we okudi dwumade we di abo man konkron Ghana or prempunto ama we mu oye say na adwumade edoso. I say na dwumade edoso. Enti ontimi mfuna ni ehwe tokuro Bawku munko. Enti o say ohwe oman ni nyina esu ebi eka ho. Ema eno achi kura no. O say gbenyere issue happen on the internet. Ema nipa bebre na ekoye refugees e wo Cote d'Ivoire ene ade Ghana yentimi anka ho asem papa bia but nansia mu anaba se mahama akoy donation ama Sudan for ama eno no media no so ebi mu de abufuo be ka se mahama pa excellency Bawku kura wontimi so obunwe ye gbenyere ntimi so obunwe ye na waduru Sudan his excellency bra Bawku be so obumaye na ye nipa be so obumaye
Yo, abusian for me mamuina akwaba eba na po 1 TV so ye frame me Solomon na po agina konwa enne anpei na me wo enkrato kakra edima omampani John Dormaahene mahama enkrato enkoma ya na Otumfuo Asantehene afa sankrato we ya enkoma Kevin Taylor nipa miensa we na medisa enkrato ekwako ekoma omo esan se yada nenso enan egu abonten na before meko ensem no so no omampani ene na me pese me bo ema me twemo adwene esi nia me ba be kan so na obi antoto momone amfa nhema no na ebon a omose na poa wano ebon umma yenko ne yenkotie asema DM eko Bawku a okokan ye na enne waye din te senia omfa hu umma yenko ne yenkotie asem no emra.
There's no chieftaincy conflict in Bawku. There cannot be two kings in one kingdom. Every government recognizes that the overlord of Bawku is Naba Abugago Asigri II. And that's why I say there's no conflict, no chieftaincy conflict. And so peace in Bawku is going to be my priority when I become president. And all of you know that when NDC comes, there will be peace in Bawku.
Yo, omampani me da wase papa.
There's no chieftaincy conflict.
Omampani me da wase. Me pese obi adi me ho adanse mo hwe. Me NDC. I am a NDC card bearer member. This is my card. Your Excellency. Now, I want to ask you a simple question. what are you saying about Bawku conflict? You promised us that if you became a president, Bawku conflict would be your first priority. Did your priority vanish or your priority travel? And what the most painful thing is that I've seen that you have sent foodstuffs to South Sudan, some huge money to them. What about your people in Bawku? Are they not human beings? Are they not Ghanaians, Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama? If you know that the Bawku people, we are not Ghanaians, tell us so that we can find a place to join. Nana Otumfuo, me nana, me nko to jogu for mo, me pa cho me mo watching. Mediation na Excellency John Dramani edi abrewa wo se wo ye na underground nana akosi sen taben na wudi emuaye no ebeba be ma ebeto abonten ama asem edi na asem eko me pa cho nana ani die mu a unya wo na moye niema wo underground work no ya bre enti sisi ya no ye pese mo ma niema edadi fenchem me mankra we enkoto Kevin Taylor campaign breso ye no wa na to abano sisi a waye din na wo so sesen mo man hwe bibi yo na nkofo a na omusu wo MPP breso no sa nkofo ko ya omosu more than that na ni atwa me nso no kura ne say Thursday president no ha Your Excellency omo se me no twa pictures bebre. My people are asking me na poa, what is your father says? Papa, what are you saying? Baba JM ne pa chewo wo se sen esen se me nkrofo no omo busa me se wo se sen me ni hwe ka me pa chewo kan bibi kire me papa kan bibi na nipa ewu oboko no it's not fair man prisi wo kusase why did you leave them to be killing themselves 3 days today? Do you see somebody, a man and his wife, 3 children, 4 cows, they enter to the house and kill all of them? Is this right? And the annoying part is that I saw that one picture is going around that a man called Mike did that thing. So Ghana police, the CID people in Bawku, what is your job? And you are telling me to find that man. So you want to tell me that you don't know where that criminal are? You don't know where she is? You don't know. So you want to tell me that you don't know? That is your job. I cannot go and find that man for you. Go and find them by yourself. What is the job for the soldiers in Bawku? Your Excellency, we are begging. We are begging. Now we are tired. We beg and tired. So now we are telling you to make peace come to Bawku. Bawku people are human beings. You can't use us as a guinea pigs to do your practicals. It will never happen. So my dear we ube friend NDC me a card bearing member me na poa mini timi ka no kra na kire mo hwe abato na amunya ne massively e wo Ghana no kusasefo na na yeto mamo ne ye mpahwe mfiri mu ho ne ye pa firi mu ho ne se court wa wurulu e Bawku problem na so enti court mra no e da so ye adwuma na se nya adwuma. Your Excellency wo say my member of voice, there will never be 2 kings in Bawku, and every government recognize Zugrana Bawku Naba Asiri as the overlord of Okosa. So, Sisia, what I say? So, Sisia, what I say? Or they have performed some rituals on you, and you can't open your mouth to talk. Nana Otumfuo, what I learned is that almost same man for no, a performing rituals should be a gumushua muntiminkasa. Nana, you are a great man. Wake up, please. So ocean so na se wuntimi siesie Bawku asem na ka kire na ya nkoma ye ho. Your Excellency, so hwe na wa be ye president awie wuntumi nka Bawku asem no ho bibia me pa achewo koyi wa sojafo no efiri Bawku tom ye hia wo mo ne ye hia wo mo china na jaye for 3 days. We can fight for ourselves. So nyaye ni say sisi ade mo protect mo party my foot. Me say until the people in Bawku stop crying, that time that I'll also stop talking. And now the funny part is that ye campaign Emma NDC no me wofaba who NDC nti omo bunu kuno omo de no koto mo kire Munko busa o mikromo. Omu bu no kun no because ye pa asumdwe ye kum nkofo na ye pese o mampani bi ba na o ma ye asumdwe a na wo wakoto ma it is possible. Omu bu no kun no mo kire e na onyane ye omu titi na woji boom ebepum nne. Your Excellency, wouldn't how people risking their life to do campaign for you, and now you are telling me that you are just quiet. Ukraine and money home. Ukraine, if you say Mubenye Bibia Kafle. South Sudan, because of what about Boko? Have you ever thought about Boko people? Have you ever bought a cup of sugar or a cup of rice for the widows in Boko? Do you know how many widows in Boko? Do you know how many orphans in Boko? Your Excellency JM, please, we are begging you in the name of God and into Akufuado and Bawumia. God will punish you. The gods of the coastal line, we invoke them in you. You will never get peace in your life. Bawumia, don't try to make your mind that my people says I should tell you that you shouldn't dream to step your leg in Boko, your foot in Boko. Enough is enough. This message go to Honorable Kennedy Akompo Japan. Hey, this is the time that you will solve. If you want vote in Coastal Kingdom, this is the time. Join President Mahama. Let's solve the problem. And you are waiting for voting time. You come vote for me. I will let peace come to over. There no ballot box. Hey, wait, I am a card bearing person. Obi and Trouba. Hey, young mama coin put my fat ballot box. Now for some, would you have Jenny Diagro Ade? Mudi agro diagro sa aden. Na nipa wuhu. Why? Edia de pan party na mamprosifo omo contributing in Ghana economy. Na yiru oye hwan, oye kingdom in Mamprugu, not Kusak. And there will be no Mamprosi man become a king in Boko. President Mahama, please go and remove Segra Bakri from Boko so that there will be peace in Boko.
What I say? Now I was handwriting, and on the internet the poppy said Otumfuo head Ashanti National Council for Menshia Himfi, Menshia Palace. Statement be APF from Abba. Statement in Etremu said Otumfuo the date ya. You know, or better now Boko Asemno so. Now obedi Asemno the final day or the Abba. I just only released this press statement on the 10th of November 2025, just 2-3 days ago. I don't just say Menshia Palace is pleased to announce that His Majesty Otumfuo Asantehene II Asantehene has scheduled 2 days, November 30th and December 1st, 2025, for what is expected to be the concluding session of his mediation in the Bawku Chieftaincy conflict. His Majesty praises both sides for their positive approach to the mediation so far and appeals to all concerned to avoid any action likely to affect the progress towards a lasting solution to the Bawku conflict. Now, sir, Otumfuo betena asem so ordinary form you and ebe di asem no abu atan. Eye 30th November. Now for the 1st December. Bosime wo mi ye. Ekwawie ye na ewura fufuo ni mu a na obetena asem so na se wabu atan kura na wodi ye atuye. Na issue pop up on the internet no. Time for now Otumfuo this statement we eba ye no. That time for now ana Dormaahene adwuma badu SE press conference. Na eho no ana obe challenge Otumfuo ntimi so obo kontawa ne da. Ne Otumfuo ntimi so obo a ono Dormaahene obeto na ntwi mienu akomo Otumfuo.
This man, also been a pastor also by who can say hospitals are a Ghana, Open a handmade ADHR, and he sent for you to test, you know, what that woman so this idea not to pour. But to me, and my side, and I go through. I said, you are to say, Otumfuo committee, or that bed, a chili, airport. You will make and when you will be the piece of Otumfuo, Dormaahene on Penyah. Said Otumfuo to be CSC Bawku Asama, a part of the dream and the back. Make the account from the same. They are some other white or to be CSC, and they then should be added. Apakana, Sabias as would be a better image in the apostle. You are many commenting with Adiamis say. One of the projects are NBC for Penyah. You will be back to us on the year can once and say, young Penisa, and I will be able to be right. You are, and no be asked on the office. Near NBC for Jano, you are on Trasso, and one near MPP for Penyah will be this agenda 111. You are, and also on Trasso. Several Trasso, more kind of more day no more out. No, President Amado, they do that. Said the Akaba, Sarah American way. Mpɛsɛ ɔno so wɔnyɛ dɛ ɔntoa so sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a nneɛma na wɔgya hɔ no akɔyɛ Ghanafoɔ deɛ no atumi akɔ yɛwura yɛde owie ma sɛ
Edi lese beti asɛm na se a Dormaahene mpɛ sɛ Bawku asomdwe bɛba hɔ anaasɛ sɛ I don't get it me nti ase I don't get it I am not challenging anybody or neither am I attacking anybody. But I just want to get the picture. I will paint it. On person asomdwe beba Bawku anase de. Obet ma chele wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media. Akra.